Welcome back. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to bind your BingX API to BuddyX AI. First, please copy the BuddyX AI trusted IP addresses shown on the screen. You will need these in a moment. Log in to your BingX account via a web browser. Click the user icon on the top right and select API Management. Click the Create API button. Note: if you haven't completed KYC, you will be asked to verify first. Give your API a label, like BuddyX AI, and click Next. Complete the security verification codes. Your API is created. Now, click the Edit button to configure permissions. Check the boxes for spot trading and perpetual futures trading. Ensure Read is also selected. Do not check withdrawal. Below that, select Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. Paste the BuddyX AI IP addresses here and click Add or Save. Stop here. Look at your secret key. You must copy and save it securely right now. Once you leave this page, it will strictly never be shown again. Now, open the BuddyX AI app. Go to API Management and select BingX. Paste your API key and the secret key you just saved. Before finishing, double-check. Spot and futures permissions are on, and withdrawal is off. Great job! Your BingX account is now successfully connected. Now that your exchange is ready, it's time for the reward. In the next video, we will show you how to claim your 7-day free trial to start automating your trades for free. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.